Assalamualaikum, good morning. Today our topic in maths workbook is color the oval. You have to do work on page number 48. So first of all, students, tell me which shape is this? Oval. Which shape is this? Oval. You have to color in the oval. We are starting coloring in the oval. We have done with our coloring in the shape oval. Again, students, which shape is this? Oval. Which shape is this? Oval. Now, read this line. Trace the oval. You have to trace this oval. Okay? Trace it neat and clean. Dot to dot. We are making oval. Which shape is this? Oval. Which shape is this, dear students? Oval. You have to trace in it. You have to trace in it. Okay? Which shape is this? Oval. Now, another caption we have. Color the objects that have the shape of an oval. You have to first recognize the things which are in oval shape, and then you have to color. Okay. What is this? Strawberry, and the shape of the strawberry is oval. This is an oval shape. Oval shape. Now, the strawberry is an oval shape. The hat is an oval shape. No. Flower, no. The shape of a mirror is also oval, and the egg